birthday. No body face, man. What the fuck? What the?
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
Birdie putt for Ellie. It's gonna move a little woof to right, and it's gonna be quick. It's on its way. I think Ellie likes the way it looks. Oh, she really likes it. And there it goes, center of the cup. That's a birdie to go to 9 under, and the retriever takes the lead into the 18th hole.
You want it? You want it? Hey, go get it. Oh, I just...
I need to do my work, but...
Touching me. She's touching me.
I'm not touching you.
Oh, you're touching me.
Not touching.
Touching me.
It's free air.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. but right in front